Right, it is much later.
You crash!
Ah! What? At least that made you chuckle. We're on the way to the Adventure Farm firework display. I've just been posted an impost.
Ah! Sorry.
You're just making me more things to have to edit on my phone. Luke's just been to the shop. We've just been and dropped 6 eggs off at Luke's mum's partner. For Luke's mum. You're taking the piss.
So I look like a car.
I'm going now and I'll see you at the firework display because I have nothing else to say just because of that man. Yes, darling?
No, it's not.
Woo! Well, yes, see you at the firework display.
One way only, guys.
Good job, Az.
One way only.
Whoa, Azzy, backwards, reverse, reverse.
You're gonna get
Come on, Luke.
Oh no, let me try and get around the track.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Just get down.
You're gonna get in trouble. Get off it.
Why?
Because you'll break it.
Yesterday,
You have to go from one
was
side to
sun
the other.
and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday. And as
Well, we
the
might as soon as they give birth.
startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
So we've finished at the fireworks and we're just stopping to get some chips, and I'm getting Kian, well, Kian and Bo something from a little shop, so we're just going to take you around.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know, my dear.
Guys, the babies are all in bed. We're settling down for the night, and I thought I'd show you the little baby bunnies. So these ones are just over a week old, and there's 4 of these. So here are what they're looking like at the minute. Is it focusing on the bun bun? Aren't they gorgeous? Mama's trying to come out. So, oh, hi Sagey. Sagey's out, Kiki.
Then what do you want me to do?
I was telling you, they're so tiny. I'm trying to get you a good angle of them. Oh, they jump like jumping beans. You've got to make sure you properly got a good grip, otherwise they will jump. They currently still can't open their eyes, all that stuff that I would have said earlier, and they're just so cute. We had them up on the sofa the other day and Sage hopped up and started feeding them all on the sofa, and then they all just settled down and got cozy, and she covered them up in a blanket. She got the blanket in her mouth and covered them all up. So cute. I really can't tell if it's focusing or not, but I don't want to press the camera because I don't want to. There we go, hang on. There we go. Look at that. Look at the baby. So they've all definitely got a lot of Rex's colouring in them. It's so cute. This one is very, very similar. I doesn't want to focus on the babies, but they're so cute. I'm obsessed. This one's got some gorgeous little brown speckles, as you can see, as well as the dark colours. Oh, just look at them. Oh, so cute. Kian, these ones down here have crawled onto my leg.
Yeah.
What are you doing, yeah?
What's the plan?
I'm showing the camera the boobies. And this one is the only one that does look slightly different. They do not have the dark colouring like Rex. So this one, out of, by the looks of it, even including the top 3, this one is the only one that is extremely unique. Oh, very wiggly. It is evening, so they're probably getting antsy for their feed off the mama. So cute. Look at them. Lily. Look at the little babies. Oh. I put them all here and they're all cozied up to my leg and to my slipper. I wonder if this feels like the mama to them. They're all cozied up. I need to put you all back. Oh! See how wiggly they are? They just jump and wiggle. You saying hello, Lily? So cute. What are we doing?
Getting some food.
Where from?
Tesco. Treat food.
Where are we going? Tesco. When are we going? Now. That's what that felt like. What?
We should have been going ages ago.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go and get some dinner. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'll just be going home. We'll just be snacking, munching, chilling out. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you in the video, guys. Peace.